Today we're going to unbox, assemble, and see what this Dewalt DW734 planer can do, so stay tuned. Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Matt. I'm just a dude. Welcome to the channel. I was recently going through my local Home Depot and I found this Dewalt DW734 planer on clearance. So I picked it up for $400. I've been wanting one for a while, so let's see what it can do. Before we get it out of the box, let's go over the specifications. This is a Dewalt 12.5-inch portable thickness planer, model number DW734. It runs off of 120 volts AC, 15 amps, and it spins at 10,000 RPMs. It has a 3-knife cutter head, which comes with disposable and reversible knives, 1-tool knife change, extra long in-feed and out-feed tables, carriage lock, accurate thickness scale, molded tool storage, and a turret thickness stop for repetitive cuts. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1 year of free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. What's included in this box is a DW734 planer, wrenches, and chip deflector hood. It's made in Taiwan. Now that we got the specifications out of the way, let's get this box open. I just wanted to say that this video is not sponsored by Home Depot or Dewalt in any way. Here's a tool out of the box. Here is a depth gauge. Here's a removal gauge. The wood slides in here, and it will tell you how much of a cut you're taking off. Here's the headlock. When you're using it, you push the headlock down so the head doesn't move up and down. When you want to move the head, push it back up. There is a breaker reset over here, on off. The only thing that has to be assembled on this is the handle, which goes up here to adjust the depth or the height of the cutter head. It has a stop in there, so it only goes on there one way, and it has an Allen head screw to it. I flipped the tool around to show the outfeed table. In here is a tool storage. It comes with a 9mm and 10mm wrench and a Torx driver. And I apologize, it's not an Allen head, it's a Torx for the handle screw, which I'm going to screw on right now. One more thing I wanted to show you about this hex T-handle driver is it has these magnets in the handle. This tool is used to remove the cutting blades out of the head of the planer. So once you get all the screws loose, you can take the magnets, pull the cutting blades out, and replace them or swap them around. This tool limits the time you spend manipulating or handling the blades so you don't end up cutting your fingers. Stored inside the planer is the dust collection hood, which directs all the shavings into your dust collection system. It also comes with an adapter so you can adapt your shop vac to this. And it looks like it has some screws to where you can anchor it in these holes here, but it just slides on the back of the cutting head. Before using this planer, you want to make sure that the in-feed and the out-feed tables are level with the planing head. The easiest way to do this is to set the planer on a level surface and then put a level on top of the planer and make sure that the planer is level. And then put the level on the tables and make sure that they are level to the head as well. They're set level at the factory, but sometimes they can get out of level during transport, so it's always good to check them. Something else that's pretty cool is this adjustment that you can set so you can know how far you're adjusting the planer head. So right there it's at 1/64, and there's a little, you can feel it when it gets into there. There's a little, I guess, soft spot. So let's say you want to move the cutting head down a 32nd of an inch from where it's at right now. You take this, you spin it around until the 0 is pointing there, and then there's 1/32. One of the reasons I wanted to purchase a planer was I started building cutting boards as presents. Now, some of these cutting boards wouldn't have a level surface. In fact, this one has kind of got a cup in it. So hopefully this planer will make the job of getting these level and flat a lot easier than with a palm sander. It's a little hard to see right now. When I put this on there, you can tell that there's a little bit of a cup in here. Now the bottom is flat. I put it on a flat surface and I couldn't wobble it. So hopefully I can just pass this through the planer, take a little bit off, and have it come out perfect. I hooked up my dust collection system to the back of the planer. Now, the dust collection system I have is nothing special. It's just a homemade system I built with the help of YouTube. So let's see how this thing works. Since we want to make this flat and it has a cup in it, I want to place the highest point into the planer underneath the depth gauge. And now we can take off as much as we want. Well, not as much as we want, but we can tell what we're taking off. And I want to take off about a 32nd of an inch. So, and you can see when this contacts the wood, this gauge right here will start to rise. See how much it rose? Well, we don't want to take that off. I just did that to demonstrate it, but I only want to take off like a 64th at a time. So I got that set at a 64th. We'll lock down the planer head, turn it on, and see what happens. So I passed the cutting board through the planer a couple times, and it ended up getting it pretty good. As you can see, it's pretty flat all the way across. So this planer did produce some snipe on this cutting board, and it's right where the juice grooves are. There's a little ridge. I don't know if you can see it right here. Now, it should be able to sand out pretty easily, and compared to the fact that I was sanding these whole things by hand, this should go pretty quick. All in all, for 400 bucks, I don't think you can find a better planer. Now, it was on clearance, so they don't have them like that every day. It was, I think it was $4.99 at Home Depot regularly, but $400, a Bauer is going for, I think, $370 right now. So you're getting a Dewalt 3 blade for $30 more. Definitely a good deal in my book. If this video helped you out, if you could like it, it would definitely help out the channel. Now, if you want to see more videos like this or more blue collar fixes, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Matt. I'm just a dude, and if I can't fix it, I'll fix it so no one else can. Thanks for watching.